Hey guys, welcome you all to my channel ProTrack Learn to Grow. Here in this video, we are going to discuss reduction of fractions in lowest terms. So let's start. Firstly, what do we mean by the lowest term of the fractions? When numerator and denominator do not have any common factor other than 1, then a fraction is said to be in its lowest term. Or if the HCF of numerator and denominator of a fraction is 1, then the fraction is in its lowest term. Now, if we are asked to find out the lowest term of a fraction, then we simply divide both the numerator and denominator by their HCF. Now let us understand what we have studied here. We said when numerator and denominator do not have any common factor other than 1. What is this common factor other than 1? Suppose you are having a fraction 2 by 8. Okay, you are having a fraction 2 by 8. Now, if we will write the factors of 2, factors are nothing but the numbers which can divide the given number. Okay, 1 can divide 2, then 2 can also divide 2. So these two are the factors of 2. Now if we are going to write factors of 8, okay, we are going to write factors of 8, we will write 1, 2 is again the factor, 2, then 3 is not the factor. Okay, 3 cannot divide 2. Then we are having 4, 4 can divide 8, and then we have 8 itself. Okay, so these are the factors of 2 and these are the factors of 8. So can you tell me the common factors here? Common factors are, first 1 is the common factor between 2 and 8, then 2 is common factor between 2 and 8. So here you can see there is one more factor other than 1. Okay, and what we are saying here, when numerator and denominator do not have any common factor other than 1, then the fraction is in its lowest term. Here we can see 2 and 8 have more than one common factor. That means other than 1. Okay, so this fraction is not in its lowest term. So how do we convert this fraction into lowest term? Okay, how do we convert? First we have said here, if the HCF of the numerator and denominator of the fraction is 1. If the HCF will be 1, what is this HCF? HCF is nothing but highest common factor. If highest common factor will be 1, then the fraction is in its lowest term. Okay, but here the highest common factor is 2. Okay, so if we are asked to find out the lowest term of a fraction, then we simply divide both numerator and denominator by their HCF. So here the HCF is nothing but highest common factor. Okay, here the common factor of 2 and 8 are 1 and 2. Okay, common factors are, if you are talking about common factors, then common factors are 1 and 2 here. 1 and 2 of 2 and 8. Okay, so if the common factors are 1 and 2, now we are talking about the highest common factor. Highest is 2 here. So 2 is the highest common factor for 2 and 8. Hence we will simply divide 2 and 8. Means we will simply divide the fraction by the highest common factor, and the highest common factor here is 2. So 2 divided by 2 gives 1 and 8 divided by 2 gives 4. Hence 1 by 4. Now you can see here we got 1 by 4. Okay, we got 1 by 4 here. Now 1 and 4. There is only one common factor for 1 and 4, and that is 1. Okay, so now this fraction is in its lowest terms. Okay, now let's practice one example for this. Here example is reduce 36 by 99 to its lowest terms. Okay, we have to reduce 36 upon 99 in its lowest term. Now look upon the solution. First of all, we will write all the factors of 36 and 99 as well. Okay, first of all, first step, this is the first step that we have to write all the factors. See here, 36 is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. 99 have 1, 3, 9, 11, 33 and 99. Hence these are the common factors. Now let us see sorry, these are the factors. Let us see the common factors now between 36 and 99. 36 and 99 have 1, 3 and 9 in common. Hence these are the common factors. Now we have to take out the highest common factor among these common factors. Okay, you can see here the highest common factor is 9. Therefore, highest common factors of 36 and 99 is 9. Therefore, we will divide the numerator and denominator by its HCF. Okay, we are doing the same here again. We will just divide. We will simply divide the numerator and denominator by the HCF we have taken out. And the HCF here is 9. HCF is what? Highest common factor. Now, 36 divided by 9 upon 99 divided by 9 gives 4 upon 11. Hence, this is the reduced or lowest term of the fraction 36 by 99. Okay, 36 by 99 is now equal to 4 upon 11. Okay, we do something else here also. We do like if we are having 36 by 99, we search out any number which can divide both. Like here, 3 can divide both the numbers. We simply cut them. Okay, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, and then 3 threes are 9 and 3 threes are 9. We do like this also. And again, it can be divided by 3. 3 fours are 12, 3 ones and ones. Okay, 1 1. Now what we got here, 4 by 11. Now there is no number which can divide 4 and 11 both. Okay, hence this is the reduced term. We can use this method also, and we can use this method also. There are two methods, but this the method of taking out the HCF and dividing both numerator and denominator by the HCF is easier one, because we just simply take out the HCF of numerator and denominator, and then we divide them, and we get the reduced terms in one go. Okay, hence these are two methods. You can use any one. Now there is a question for you. Solve it and drop your answers in the comment section below. Please take it as your homework. Thanks for watching.